Okay, so this is the to get a quote from our contractors. The roof looked fine. We're going to leave this garage as it is. Obviously just remove that to make it safe. We'll look into maybe getting this brown repainted, but that's it really. The drive looks really good. I can't see any issues here, nothing obvious. Okay, so this is a bit wobbly, so we'd have to investigate that and then redecorate. I guess this just needs new flooring. Repaint that. Okay, so these wallpaper, unfortunately, they're not. If we take these off, it's going to take half the wall with it. So I would suggest actually just painting over it. We need to strip off all this flooring and then do laminate flooring throughout all this. Kitchen, we will need a new kitchen. Actually, the wallpaper here does need to be stripped down fully. We need new blinds as well. Okay, so all this needs to come off. Okay, that's fine. I think we're going to. I'm playing around with the idea of actually knocking that wall through and having an open plan kitchen diner here. Because this ground floor space is so large. So maybe come out here, have a dining here and a reception area here as well. This wallpaper can all come off as well. We need to investigate this flooring because it does feel a bit hollow underneath. You feel it. Again, in here, just strip all the wallpaper, repaint, and new flooring. This lean-to, again, it feels a bit hollow. This is relatively secure, but there's a bucket here, which implies that there's been a leak here, so we need to investigate that and sort out that leak. That door doesn't open. It does unlock, but it doesn't open, so we need to get that open. It's probably, most likely, it's because that the latch outside seems a bit faulty, so we need to push that down, and that should be okay. We need to put the fence up as well. Well, basically, need to put some new furnace panels in. Okay. Signs of damp there, so we need to investigate that. I think the first port of call really is to get an electrical installation report. See if there's an existing one. If there is, have a look at that. If there isn't, then get an electrician in to see if we need to do one. And that will indicate if we need a rewire or not. And if we do, then that's the stage we do the rewire. Get them in immediately because they're going to start hacking through walls. Lounge, so this can be kept. That's quite nice wood. That can be painted. All this to be painted white. That will need to be covered up. Okay, bedrooms. These are really straightforward. Strip all the wallpaper down. And then that's it really. Strip wallpaper down, repaint, recarpet. This door really should be replaced with a white panel door. It's not bad as it is, but it doesn't look great. And a new door handle as well. Basically, put one of these doors over there. Bedroom number 2. Again, strip the wallpaper down. Essentially, of all the bedrooms, strip the wallpaper down and redecorate and repaint. Okay, well, this needs to be repainted as well. And this is the final bedroom again. Strip the wallpaper down and repaint. There's signs of damp here, so but this might be that this water dripping down on the side. Redecorate that as well. And bathroom. Okay, so that needs to be covered up. Bathroom. This just needs to be gutted. So basically, it needs a new bathroom. Oh, interesting. bathroom with shower. And yeah, I think that's it. And if you don't know me already, my name's Nguyen. We'll let and manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham. And this is one of the properties we've sourced for our client. Now we're going to do a refurb and then let and manage it. All right, hopefully that's been helpful. We'll keep you updated. All right, see you.